Hi Draw-So Cuties! Today we're going to draw a winter-inspired snow globe. So let's get started. To draw this snow globe, we're going to first start by drawing the base of our snow globe. So right here, I'm going to draw a curve, a very slight curve. If you're not comfortable drawing this curve, you can go ahead and just draw a straight line across. But that is basically the base. And then we're going to come to the side right here and just draw a slight curve. So right here, same thing. Just want to end about the same level. So say about right here. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a slight curve once again. There, so we have a basic base right here, and if you want you can add another layer right here. Just pop it out just to give it a bottom right here and connect it. There. Okay, so then I'm going to come back up here and add, you know what, I will leave it alone. Let's not muddle it up. Okay, let's come up here and we're going to draw the globe part. So I'm not going to use a circle template because I don't think it needs to be a perfect circle. We just want to go all the way around and kind of get this nice big dome shape. I think it's much cuter if it's not perfect. So I'll just start on this side as well. Let's see here, let's come all the way up. Nice big globe. So don't worry about the shape, just as long as it's roundish. And bring it back in. There, now we got our big globe in. And then from there, before we bring this part to life, let's bring our base to life first. So I'm going to come in this area and add two big circles for some Draw-So Cute eyes. So same thing on this side, so about right there. So if you've been following me, I drew a snow globe as well last year. So make sure to check out my 2018 snow globe if you love snow globes. I think I'm going to draw one every year because these things are so cute, right? The possibilities are endless as to what you can put in here. Okay, so same thing on this side. You're just going to add two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. Shade in the top. So this year I'm adding eyes to the base. So it's one big difference from the one last year, and the lines at the bottom. And let's come in the center right here and just draw a cute little smile and cap it off. And then you can add cheeks in there if you want later when you're coloring it. Now to bring this part to life. So I decided this year to add a cute little penguin inside with a the North Pole. And so let's see here. Let's start about in this area and I'll draw the penguin's head. So say about right here. Just come up here and draw this really big head for a penguin. So just bring it all the way around. There. And then about right there, I'll draw the little body. So I'll come out. Just draw two little curves coming down. So before I finish that part, let's come back up here and I'm going to bring this, let's find our center. So say about right here. I'm just going to curve it up and taper it back in. So same thing on this side. Just a very simple little penguin. And come in the center right here and draw his little beak. And his little eyes. So come to the side. There's two little circles. And I'm just going to give it one little highlight and shade it in. Same thing over here. There, so cute, right? And you can add cheeks once again when you're coloring it. And then from there, let's give him his little body. So we're just gonna bring it in and connect it. And give him his little flippers to the side. And little feet. So it's just 3 little curves connected right under him. There. So I haven't decided if I want to color this blue or black yet, so I'll leave it for now. Leave it white for now. And then from there, let's draw the pole right next to him. So I come about right here. And I'm going to do this as slant. So about right there. And then in this area, I'm just going to draw a big circle. Add a little highlight. And so then about right here, I'm just going to add some curves because it's in the snow. And let's draw some snow all the around our little penguin right here. So I'm just adding some curves for the bottom of our globe. Round this part off. There. And then let's add some stripes to our pole right here. And let's see here. Okay, so then from there, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to come in here with a thinner Sharpie because I'm going to draw some details, some snowflake details in snow. So right here, I'm going to start with a simplified snowflake. So it's just basically tear drop shapes, kind of like a flower. And so here and there, I'm just going to draw these to decorate our globe. So it's basically maybe 5 of them coming to a point. Maybe some are smaller. Okay, and then here and there you can draw some circles for snow. Maybe a small one right here, fill in this space. And let's see, you know what, I am going to add another line down here just to decorate my base. And I'll add a little heart right here to finish it off. And that is pretty much it for this new snow globe inspired by winter. Hope you guys loved this one as much as my 2018 one. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.